In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a search bar animation in Figma. Start by opening your design where you want the animated search bar to live. We'll create the bar first, then turn it into an interactive component with a smooth expand and collapse animation. Draw a rectangular shape using the rectangle tool. Give it a stroke and a fill and set the fill color to white, so it reads clearly against most backgrounds. Position it where your search bar should sit. If your design uses rounded corners, feel free to adjust the corner radius. This won't affect the interaction we're about to build. Next, open the Assets panel and search for a search icon. Drag that icon onto the rectangle and place it inside the shape, typically aligned to the left. Now select both the rectangle and the icon together. Right-click and choose Auto Layout. This wraps your elements in a frame that handles spacing and alignment automatically, making it much easier to manage as the bar expands. Figma will apply default padding and spacing. Adjust these values if you need tighter or looser spacing to match your design system. With that frame selected, create a component from the Design panel on the right. This will be the foundation for your interactive states. Click the plus button to add a variant. Rename the original variant to default and the new one to expanded, so it's clear which is which. Select the expanded variant and increase its width to the size you want when the search bar is open. Inside this expanded frame, add a text layer that says something like search. Place it to the right of the icon so users understand they can type there. You can lightly reduce the text opacity to mimic a placeholder look. Now let's add the animation. Switch to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. Select the default variant and drag the blue arrow to the expanded variant. Set the interaction to on click. Change to. Choose Smart Animate as the animation. Set a duration around 300 to 400 milliseconds and pick an ease out curve for a pleasant, natural feel. Repeat that connection in reverse by selecting the expanded variant and linking it back to the default variant with the same settings. This lets users click to open and click again to close. To test it, draw a frame on your canvas, then go to the Assets panel and drag an instance of your new component into that frame. Click the present icon in the top right corner, and try clicking the search icon to watch it expand and collapse. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.